Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram message not sending problem. Instagram not receiving message on iPhone in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Then go back home screen. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi. Connect your Wi-Fi. Then go back. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Search your Instagram. Tap search. Then wait for few seconds. Instagram is available. Tap update. Then go back home screen. Instagram is updating. Thanks for watching this video.